Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Today we have to find the trigonometric ratios of acute angles 30, 60 and 45 degrees. Now in this diagram 30-degree angle A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2. They give the values of A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2, but they don't give the value C. So we have to find the value C first. So by using Pythagoras theorem we have AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So AB square is equals plus BC is equals to 1 and is equals to AC is equals to 2. So 1 square is equals to 1 and 2 square is equals to 4. So AB square is equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. So by taking square root, the square is cancelled and AB is equals to under root 3. So our value C is equals to under root 3. Now trigonometric ratios of angle 30 will be sin 30 degree is equals to MBC over AC, which is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equals to AB over AC, which is under root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree is equals to MBC over AB, 1 by under root 3. Secant 30 degree is equals to 2. Secant 30 degree is equal to 2 over under root 3 and cot 30 degree is equals to under root 3. From where we find the ratios of this BC over AC, AB over AC, BC over AB? We know that the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta is equals to the ratios are sin theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta is equals to base over hypotenuse and tan theta is equals to perpendicular over base. So according to these ratios, by using these ratios, according to this formula, we decide the hypotenuse. This is our perpendicular, this is our base and this is our hypotenuse. So by using values we find the ratios. We do same with the trigonometric ratios of angle 60 and with the ratio of angle 45 degree. From all working we find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree, which are given in this table. So ratios are sin, cos, tan and angles are 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. In sin theta, 30 degree is equals sin 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is equals to 1 over under root 2 and sin 60 degree is equals to under root 3 by 2. Same, cos 30 degree is equals to under root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equals to 1 over under root 2 and cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2. And tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by under root 3, tan 45 degree is equals to 1 and tan 60 degree is equals to under root 3. So स्टूडेंट्स आपने ये टेबल लर्न कर लेना है. इस टेबल को याद रखते हुए आपने अगले क्वेश्चंस जो हैं उनको भी आगे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उनको सॉल्व करना है और उन्हें ये वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. ये टेबल आपने मेमोराइज कर लेना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड आवर एक्सरसाइज. Question number 2. Find the trigonometric ratios of the triangle ABC given below. Here a triangle, right angle triangle given. So in this आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे 3 एंगल जो है वो हमें गिवन है. एक जो है वो हमारा 90 डिग्री का एंगल है और बाकी दूसरे 2 एंगल्स हैं. टोटल ट्राइंगल के एंगल्स जो होते हैं वो इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री होते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की रेशियोज फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो रेशियोज जो है वो हम अकॉर्डिंग टू उसके फॉर्मूलाज फाइंड आउट करते हैं. जैसे साइन थीटा, कोस थीटा और टेन थीटा के उन्होंने हमें बताया हुआ है कि वो रेशियोज किसके इक्वल होती हैं. एक परपेंडिकुलर होता है, एक हाइपोटेन्यूस होता है, एक बेस होता है. वो अकॉर्डिंग टू एंगल होता है. एंगल के बिल्कुल सामने वाला जो होता है वो उसका परपेंडिकुलर होता है और उसके साथ वाला जो होता है वो क्या होता है, उसकी बेस होती है और उसके ऑपोजिट उसका हाइपोटेन्यूस होता है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू एंगल्स जो है वो हम यहाँ पे इनकी रेशियोज फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो पार्ट 1, साइन एंगल ए. As sin theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse, so sin angle A is equals to MBC over MAC. So why here BC over AC? Because angle A perpendicular is equals to BC and angle A hypotenuse is AC. So BC over AC sine angle MC of ratio. ठीक है. Part 4 sine angle C, as sine theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So according to angle C, ratio is angle AB over AC. Now part 5 cos angle C. So as cosecant theta is equals to base over hypotenuse, so according to angle C, our ratio is BC over AC. Now part 6 is tan angle C. Now you know that tan theta is equals to perpendicular over base. So according to angle C, our ratio is AB over BC. Question number 3. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree and angle C is equals to 60 degree. Also sine angle C is equals to C over B. Find the trigonometric ratios. We have to find the trigonometric ratios. First we have to draw the right angle triangle which given in statement. So by drawing this right angle triangle, they give us the angle B which is 90 degree and angle C which is 60 degree. We all know that the angles of triangle equals to 180 degree. So 90 plus 60 is equals to 150 and the other angle A is equals to 30 degree because 180 minus 150 is equals to 30 degree. So and they asked that the sine angle C is equals to C over B. Angle C ratio is given. So as you people know that sine theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So perpendicular and hypotenuse are given. Perpendicular is C and hypotenuse is B and the other third base is not given. So we have to find the base BC. To find the base BC, we use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem we have AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So here AB is added. When we put on the other side, it must be subtracted from AC square. So BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. We have values of AC and AB. So AC is equals to B and AB is equals to C. By putting values, BC square is equals to B square minus C square. Now by taking square root, here square is cuts with square root and BC is equals to square root B square minus C square. Now we have the value BC is equals to under root B square minus C square. Part 1 BC over AB we have to find. So side BC over AB. So we have the values of BC and AB. So BC is equals to under root B square minus C square over the value of side AB is equals to C. So this is our ratio. Now part 2 cos 60 degree. As we know that cos theta is equals to base over hypotenuse. So we have to find the cos 60 degree. So here cos 60 degree base is BC and the cos 60 degree hypotenuse is this. So by using these values we find the ratio. Cos 60 degree is equals to under root B square minus C square divided by B. Now third is tan 60 degree. As we know that tan theta is equals to perpendicular over base. Now according to each angle our perpendicular base and hypotenuse are different. So according to this tan 60 degree the perpendicular is C because the next value on other values the perpendicular and the value with the same angle is called base. So base is BC and the perpendicular is C. So tan 60 degree is equals to C over under root B square minus C square. Cosecant 60 degree. As you know that cosecant theta is equals to hypotenuse over perpendicular. So cosecant 60 degree is equals to B over C. Part 6, chord 60 degree. As we know, chord theta is equals to base over perpendicular. So 60 degree base is equals to under root B square minus C square, and perpendicular is C. So chord 60 degree is equals to under root B square minus C square divided by C. Now part 10 is secant 30 degree. As we know that secant theta is equals to hypotenuse over base. The hypotenuse of 30 degree angle is B and the perpendicular is BC, which is under root B square minus C square, and the base is C. So secant 30 degree is equals to B over C. 11. Cosecant 30 degree. As cosecant theta is equals to hypotenuse over perpendicular, so hypotenuse of 30 degree is equals to B and perpendicular is under root B square minus C square. So cosecant 30 degree is equals to B over under root B square minus C square. Now part 12, chord 30 degree. As we know that chord theta is equals to base over perpendicular, so base is C and the perpendicular is equals to under root B square minus C square. So chord 30 degree is equals to C over under root B square minus C square. Thank you.